Hi, welcome back to the video. In this video I will show you how you can get 4,000 watch time super fast with YouTube monetization policy. So if you want to know, don't skip. Stay, so you won't miss important details. Requirements. 1. Have at least one desktop or laptop. 2. At least 1 hour video to make a playlist. 3. Internet connection. 4. Patience. YouTube updates watch time after 24-hour in mobile and 48-hour in desktop. Before going to the process, shout out to 1. Rajan BD Gaming, 2. Dr. Mostafa, 3. Humari Handy with Alina. Thanks for your amazing support. Channel link in description. Go to their channel and watch their videos. If you like their contents, subscribe. In every video, I will shout out 3 random subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and comments. Go to the Chrome browser, then first download Tor browser. Tor is an amazing browser that will work because it has inbuilt VPN support. Every time you open the browser it will show a different location, and that's what we need to get 4,000 watch time faster. Follow my step and download Tor. Then let's download another browser, Brave. Follow my step and download. Important notice: 2 browser work is only for creators who have high RAM PC. Otherwise use one browser or it will slow down your PC. Now go to your Chrome browser and log in to your channel. Go to YouTube Studio. Then create a playlist with 40 to 50 minutes long videos. Make sure you do not cross 1 hour playlist, cause YouTube will remove watch time if you cross 1 hour from the same location. Now, open Tor browser, search your channel on YouTube, go to Channel Playlist, then select the playlist that you made to get YouTube watch time. Play the playlist, make the video quality to 144 pixel to run smoother. And mute the sounds. Finally click on the shuffle video from the playlist. And now duplicates the browser window to 7 to 10 times. Follow the same process for the Brave browser. Brave does not have inbuilt VPN support, so make sure you clear browser history before you follow the same process every time. Go to youtube.com, then search your channel. Play the playlist and make sure you select video quality to 144 pixel and mute, and after playing the playlist turned on shuffle option. Now duplicates the browser window to 7 to 10 times to get more watch time. After watching 1 hour, you need to give a break to 15 to 30 minutes, to make sure your YouTube watch time won't count as spam. For this, go back to the Chrome search timer. Set the timer to 1 hour when you start the playlist. This way you can manage the time well and get much YouTube watch time every day. After 1 hour, the timer will notify you that 1 hour is complete. Stop the timer and then close Tor and Brave browser. Go back to the timer and set the timer to 15 to 30 minutes. After 15 to 30 minutes, it will notify you that time has come, let's gain more watch time. This way you can prevent the YouTube system from detecting and spam your watch hour. After 48 hours, come back to the video and give your feedback. That's it. Make sure you subscribe and get updated to this kind of trick every week. Subscribe or Google text to speech will take all of your cookies.